Puzzle Explorers. Are you ready to help our heavy-duty friends find their missing shadows? Look at that snowy mountain. Can you point to the hard-working digger and the big loader?
Go! 3, 2, 1, go! Let's get these machines built, team.
Drag the cabin right into place. Clunk! That's it. Perfect fit.
Wait, is that the bucket? I think it goes on the roof. No, wait, that's silly, right?
Not quite. Let's slide that bucket down to the arm where it belongs. Vroom! Now snap those tracks on at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4 tracks ready for action. Look at them glow! Our machines are powered up and ready for a snowy adventure.
Boom! Fireworks show! You did it! You absolute superstars!
Amazing work today, everyone. Give yourselves a huge high five, and we'll vroom vroom. Look at those 3 monster bikes roaring across the bridge.
Whoa, where did they go? They've turned into mysterious shadows in the garage.
Hold on to your hats, everyone. It's a magical power-up sequence. Zap pow! Okay, team. These monster bikes need their wheels back. Can you spot the missing parts?
Is that a square wheel? No way, buddy. It has to be round to roll.
Amazing.
Great eye. Point to the screen and help us snap that gear into place. Click.
Oh yeah!
One more wheel to go. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3.
Boom! The final piece is in. Look at those amazing monsters shine.
Yes!
Sitting in medal positions, can they bump up and take that lead away from Josh Sheehan? This is Rob Adelberg.
I just think when this run is all said and done, because Rob has a really good flow around the
Check out those fireworks. You did a fantastic job helping our bike friends get ready for the road.
Whoa, look at that real-life rider go. Those stunts are super high flying.
And watch out, he's also got that double backflip in his arsenal as well.
That was such a great trick.
And both of these guys will let you do it right out of the gate. There's the double. So you're
Practice to come out with a front flip, right into a double backflip. You've got to calm yourself down.
But it was the 5-time best win gold medalist Jared McNeil that was on point from start to finish. And he comes out of this one as the top qualifier going into the medal round. Man of the hour in the last round, Jared McNeil. In the first round, he was on that top spot, but nobody was able to bounce.
You guys are absolute puzzle champions today. Thanks for playing, and we'll see you on the next big adventure. Bye-bye. Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Are you ready to match some brave police cars today?
Whoa, a magical fairy appeared. Did you see that sparkle, Jose?
Oh my! That fairy just sprinkled some magic dust and... Ooh, what a surprise!
Look at that silly baby. He's just as confused as I am about these mysterious silhouettes.
Let's count down together. 3, 2, 1. Slide that police car into place.
Uh-oh, the police car flipped. Maybe it tried to do a cartwheel. Haha. Nope.
Yes, you did it. That brave police car found its perfect home. Oh my god! Even the baby is giving us a big thumbs up. Great job, everyone. Musical finale! Thanks for helping our police friends today. Smash that subscribe button for more fun. Hey there, puzzle explorers. Ready to help our brave police friends catch a cheeky thief?
Oh no, he swiped the wheels. Quick, let's chase him down. Zoom, zoom.
Don't worry, we can fix these vehicles. Can you point to the missing siren on your screen?
Ready? I think the siren goes on the bumper. Wait, no, that's silly, right?
Haha, not quite. The siren sits right on top so everyone hears it coming. Click! Look at that shiny wheel snap into place. 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels ready to roll.
No, God!
Oops! The officer dropped his donut. Let's get that window fixed before he gets hungry again.
Great job matching those pieces, team. You're doing a fantastic job helping the police squad.
Meow, why is there a kitty in the police SUV? That's the cutest siren I've ever seen.
The cat is our special helper today. Keep tapping those parts. You're almost finished. The vehicles are fully repaired and looking brand new. Look, Mr. Bean is dancing.
Boom! Pop! Fireworks everywhere. You guys are the best mechanics in the whole world.
High five! You solved every puzzle today. See you next time for more fun adventures. Welcome, everyone. Our brave police friend is on duty today, so stop, look, and listen.
Whoa! Is that a giant yellow duck rolling down the road? Oh wait, it's a hard-working digger.
The light is red, so we must solve this color puzzle before our friend can move. Can you spot the blue piece?
I think it's the green one. No, wait, maybe it's purple? I'm getting dizzy.
Bingo! You found it! Look at that digger glow. It's ready to rumble. Vroom, vroom. Here comes a powerful tractor. Let's see if we can help him match his colors too.
Yay!
This puzzle is tricky, but I know you smart cookies can handle it. Which bulldozer attachment fits next?
No, God! Whoa!
Click! That one snapped right into place perfectly. We are doing great, team.
Oh no!
Amazing! amazing job! The light turned green and even the kittens are cheering for you. You are all puzzle masters. See you next time! Welcome, explorers! Today we're matching shadows with some really tough, super cool military machines.
I bet I can guess which shadow belongs to this big armored carrier. Is it the circle one?
Not quite silly. Look closer at the sharp corners. It has to fit perfectly like a puzzle piece.
Machine
Click!
guns and grenade launchers.
Vroom vroom!
Its combat
Look at this
effectiveness.
rugged,
The
tracked
vehicle
robot
integrates
go.
advanced sensor and
It's
targeting
cruising through the
systems,
sand like a
ensuring
pro.
Whoa, it's like a little desert explorer. Can you wave hello to our metal friend?
Back to the puzzle. Can you spot the shadow for this heavy missile vehicle? Point your finger right at it.
Good job. Is a tracked unmanned
Look at that
combat
mud
ground
fly.
vehicle
This
developed
missile
and produced
vehicle is
by
built for the
JSC
toughest training
766
grounds.
UK,
Boom!
Currently by Kalashnikov concern.
It's so
and
strong,
promoted and
it
offered
even
by
needs a big
Rosso
truck to help it
Boronets
travel
for the
long
international
distances.
market. The
What a
Ulan
mighty
Robot
machine.
complex consists of 4 unmanned ground vehicles.
Time for a challenge! Which shadow belongs to our 8-wheeled armored friend? 3, 2, 1, go!
Be an RS2 by How and How. And
Beep beep!
Ardek is a
Our tracked
robotic
robot
weapon
is
station
spinning around the
ground
desert.
combat
It's
that
super
engages
fast,
the
isn't
enemy
it?
with lethal or less than lethal force in a safe, accurate fashion. The manufacturer
It's so
provided
agile.
such
It
basic
turns left,
characteristics
it
of a
turns right,
Scorpion
and it
RS2.
never gets stuck
Its
in the
maximum
sand.
speed is 14 miles per hour, 22 kilometers an hour. Robot autonomy up to 24 hours. Armament of the robotic
Ting! We found the match! The 8-wheeled carrier fits perfectly into its shadow. Great job, team!
The vehicle has a 60 miles, 100 kilometer range, and 72-hour endurance. The vehicle's JP8
Check out this
electric
6-wheeled
hybrid
robot.
powertrain
It's like a
provides
forest
both
ranger,
silent drive
exploring
and
deep in the
silent launch
trees.
capability. The ruggedness and simplicity of Hunter Wolf makes it very affordable. The system's modular architecture and full compliance with the Army's interoperability protocols makes the vehicle easy to upgrade, using a wide variety of mission kits, and keeps lifecycle costs low. The Hunter Wolf can carry a maximum
It's carrying supplies and testing its power. That's one hardworking machine doing important tasks. You solved all the puzzles like total pros. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more. Vroom, vroom. Look who just rolled into town. It's our hard-working cement mixer.
Whoa! Did they just grow eyeballs? They're looking right at us, team.
Oh no, a sneaky alien! Pooh, where did our construction buddies go?
Peekaboo! Is that a kitty or a puppy hiding behind those boxes?
Look at these mysterious silhouettes, friends. Can you spot which vehicle belongs in the first shape?
3, 2, 1, go!
Click! The mighty excavator fits perfectly into its shadow. You're doing amazing. Keep going.
Wait, maybe the drilling machine goes in the square spot? No, wait, you're right. It's a match. Compound!
Spin those wheels. Cement mixer. You found your home, and the road roller is next. Match them up, everyone. You solved the puzzle. Wave goodbye to our rolling friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe. Welcome, everyone. Get ready to rev your engines and play our Super Construction Challenge.
Whoa! Look at all those cool machines. I bet I can name them all. Watch me!
Clock is ticking, friends. Let's count down together. 3, 2, 1, go! Grab your virtual paintbrushes. Let's splash some bright colors on these heavy-duty machines.
Wait, why is that silly meme character dancing on the bulldozer? That's hilarious!
Meet our hardworking digger. See that giant bucket? It scoops up dirt like a hungry giant. Vroom, vroom. Watch how the digger fills up the mighty truck. Teamwork makes the dream work.
It's chaos in the paint shop. Can you spot which vehicle needs more blue paint?
This is a bulldozer. It has a giant metal blade in front to push big piles of rocks away.
Bulldozer.
Oh no, a funny face is blocking the screen. Quick, wiggle your fingers to clear the way.
Wheel loader.
That's our wheel loader. It uses those big tires to roll over bumpy ground and carry heavy loads.
Wheel loader.
Everything is turning rainbow colors. You guys are painting these vehicles perfectly.
Motor grader.
Beep, beep! The motor grader is here to smooth out the dirt road so everyone can drive safely.
Motor grader.
You did it, construction crew. You're all master builders. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Are you ready to build some heavy-duty machines today?
Whoa, watch out. Those pesky bombs are making our trucks go poof, boom.
Don't worry, we can fix them. Let's put these pieces back together, team. Look at that shadow. Can you help me find the big wheels for our mighty dump truck?
Is it this triangle shape? Maybe it fits on the roof.
Not quite. That's for the roof. But let's save it. Try the round wheel piece instead. Click. Perfect fit. Now let's find the heavy cabin for our hard-working cement mixer.
I see it. It's right there on the left. Drag it over, quick! Vroom, vroom!
Great job! Let's count the wheels together. 1, 2, 3, 4. All set! Ta-da! Look at those fireworks! You did amazing, Puzzle Masters. See you next. Vroom, vroom! Look who's racing by. It's our bright yellow mighty truck friend.
Whoa, someone took the truck apart. Hey, I think I can fix it with a giant magnet. Maybe?
Not quite. We need to match these pieces like a puzzle. Can you help us find the wheels? Let's drag the chassis into place. Click. That fits perfectly in the shadow, just like a glove.
Nope. Now for the tires. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 big wheels ready to roll.
Nice.
Great job! Now we need to finish the second truck. See that silhouette? Which piece belongs there?
Good job. Is it the tiny steering wheel? No, it's the big sturdy frame. Ka-chunk, it's locked in.
Almost there. Let's pop the cab on top and attach the heavy dump bed. Beep, beep. We are nearly done.
Nice.
Everything is clicking into place. 3, 2, 1, lift off.
Ta-da! Look at our mighty trucks go. They're shiny, strong, and ready for a big day of hauling rocks.
You are a puzzle master. Give yourself a giant high five. Thanks for helping us build today. You're the best.
Vroom, vroom! Welcome, explorers! Can you spot our green car and yellow taxi cruising by the mountains?
Look, it's our hardworking digger, and a big yellow dump truck ready for action.
Oh no! A stormy flash of lightning. Zap! Is our poor dump truck broken down? Don't worry, the kind crane truck is here to save the day. Watch it lift those heavy turbine parts.
I bet he's going to use his giant magnet to fix it. Wait, no, he's using that super strong hook.
Everything is fixed and clean. You did a great job helping today, team. See you next time, superstars. Hello, puzzle explorers. Welcome to our big emergency rescue adventure.
Look at all those sirens! Is that a race car zooming by?
Actually, those are our brave community helpers. Can you point to the shiny red fire truck?
Oh no, look at those flames. The heroic fire trucks are rushing in to save the day. Woo!
They use powerful hoses to spray water. Let's count them together. 1, 2, splash! Phew, the forest is safe again. You guys are amazing helpers today. Now the forest needs a cleanup. Here comes the hardworking digger with its giant scoop.
I bet that bulldozer is going to eat those tree stumps for breakfast. Chomp chomp!
Exactly. It pushes the debris aside so the forest can grow back strong and healthy. Teamwork, everyone. You solved the puzzle and saved the forest. See you next time. Welcome, explorers. We are on a super sunny adventure in the desert today. Ooh, look! Our hardworking construction friends are hiding in the shadows. Can you guess who they are?
Is it a giant sleepy turtle? Maybe a sandcastle builder?
Haha, not quite. That's a mighty wheel loader and a clever backhoe loader. Let's build them piece by piece. Quick, grab that big yellow bucket. Where does it fit? Click it right into place.
I found a wheel. It goes on the roof? Wait, that's wrong, right?
Silly! Wheels belong down low so they can roll. Let's put it on the axle. Vroom, vroom! Look at that arm move. Our backhoe is almost ready for some heavy lifting. Let's count the big tires together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fantastic counting! Almost there. Just need the cab for the driver. Can you point to where it goes?
Beep, beep. The assembly is coming together perfectly. High five to all our builders.
You did an amazing job today, Super Builders. See you next time. Welcome to our puzzle adventure. Look at that brave police car zooming along the hills. Vroom, vroom.
Whoa! A red one and a purple one appeared. Are they doing magic? Kapow!
We have 4 cars now. Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh no, the colors don't match. That silly marker is confused. Boop!
Splendid! The markers found the right spots. Look at those happy colors shining bright.
Nope.
Try again, little marker. Sometimes it takes a few tries to get it just right. All the police cars are ready for duty. You are a puzzle superstar. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Are you ready to help our mighty dump trucks get back on the road? Let's go.
Whoa! Did you see that? Boom! Those 3 dump trucks just pumped right into the construction site.
Time to fix them up! Can you help me find the right cab for the blue dump truck? Look closely!
Is it the red one? I bet it's the red one. No? Oh, wait, maybe it's the blue one.
Exactly. Nope. It's the blue cab. You're a matching genius. Click, snap, and it's a perfect fit. Yes! Meow! Our kitty friend is pointing to the yellow truck! Quick! Tap the screen right where the cat says. Yes!
Yay!
Woof! Our doggy buddy is here to help us find the wheels. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3!
I see the wheels. They go round and round. Vroom, vroom. They are ready to roll now.
Look at them shine! Our mighty trucks are all fixed and ready for a new adventure. Great work today, everyone!
You guys are totally awesome. High fives all around. See you in the next puzzle challenge.
Welcome, Puzzle Masters! Today we are playing with our super strong construction crew on the Hopscotch Court.
Whoa! Look at the digger, the dump truck, and the steamroller rolling in. Vroom, vroom, everyone!
Hey, where did that zoomy orange sports car come from? It's kicking up so much dust! Everything turned into shadows. Can you guess which vehicle belongs to which shape?
I'm going to put the wheels on the roof. That works, right?
Oh, silly! Wheels go at the bottom, not on the roof. Let's find the right spot together.
Good job!
Let's try to fit this big, heavy bucket onto the dump truck silhouette. Will it click? Let's see.
Nice! Good job!
Keep trying. Maybe rotate the piece just a little bit to the left. You've got this. Amazing!
No. Nice.
Click! It fits perfectly. Great job matching those pieces, team.
No! God!
Look at that dump truck glow. It's happy to be back in one piece and ready for work. We did it! All our construction friends are ready to go. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun! construction zone. Hey everyone, can you wave hello to our big machine friends?
Check it out. Vroom vroom. Look at that shiny road roller, the big digger, and our heavy dump truck joining the party.
Oh no! Our poor road roller is in trouble. It's getting so hot. Quick, let's help out.
Is it time to eat the fire? Maybe the truck is just hungry for a snack.
No, silly. That's a fire, and we need to fix our friend. Let's play a shadow matching game to get these parts back in place. Look at these shapes. Can you find the piece that matches the digger's big arm? Point your finger right at the screen.
I think the square one goes on the tire. Wait, that's not right, is it?
Not quite. We need the round one for the wheel. Let's try again. You can do it. Click. Perfect fit. Our hardworking digger is looking strong again. Ting! Great job matching that bucket.
Boom! The road roller is smooth as silk now. You kids are absolute puzzle masters.
Keep going. We need to find the cab for our digger. Is it the triangle or the rectangle? Let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Found it! That piece fits like a glove. Our vehicle team is almost ready for the big job. Last one. The dump truck needs its bed to carry all that dirt. Can you spot where it goes?
Pop it in. Yay, everything is back together. Beep beep, the mighty truck is ready to roll.
Look at those fireworks! You did it! Thanks for helping our friends today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun adventures. See you next time!